Check out this cheap 2020 Wrangler Unlimited Recon. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 28Y Recon included, engine 2.0 Li 4DOH CDI turbo e-torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, bumper hoop Recon package steel front bumper steel rear bumper Falcon brand tires black body color grille red seat belts wrapped IP bezels with red stitch daytime running lamps LED accents front LED fog lamps LED reflector headlamps LED tail lamps heavy duty rock slider with step assist Recon decals Recon badge, body color fender flares, Alpine premium audio system, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, remote proximity keyless entry, black 3-piece hard top included, freedom panel storage bag rear window defroster rear window wiper washer no soft top, 8.4 inches radial and